Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we do some practice examples on averages. Please watch our entire playlist on aptitude in order to crack any placement or competitive exams. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so we already know what's average means. Average is given as a sum of all the values divided by the number of values. Let's take an example 1, 2, 3. These are the values. If you want to identify the average of these three numbers, the average is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, summation of all the values divided by number of values. Total 3 values are there, divided by 3, that is equal to 6 by 3, which is 2. Average is equal to 2. But in today's class example, what we are going to discuss, so this point is very important to understand. See, average is equal to sum of all the values divided by the number of values. Sum of all the values can be obtained by, if you take this number of values to the opposite side, average multiplied by number of values, will get sum of all the values. On this point, all these examples are dependent. So the sum of all the numbers is equal to average multiplied by number of values. The point you have to understand, if you know the average value and total number of numbers, you can get the sum of all the values. This point, based on this point, the entire examples will be dependent. The average of, coming to the first example, the average of 4 consecutive even numbers is 27. 4 consecutive even numbers are taken and the average of those 4 consecutive values are 27. Find the largest of these numbers. We need to identify the largest number in that 4 numbers. So we don't know what the numbers means. So let's assume that the number is x. Let the numbers be x, x plus 2, x plus 4 and x plus 6. 4 consecutive even numbers. That's why plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now we know the average of all the numbers is summation of all these values divided by total number of values are 4 equal to 27. It was given that the average is given as 27. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 by 4 is equal to 27. 4x plus 12 is equal to 4. If you take the 4 common, x plus 4 cancel, x plus 3 is equal to 27, x is equal to 24. So we got the least value. X is equal to 24 means what's the largest number? X plus 6. So largest is equal to x plus 6, that is equal to 30. The largest number is 30. This is what we have to identify. Coming to the second example, there are two sections A and B of class consisting of 36 students and 44 students. In a class, we have two sections. The number of students are 36 and 44 respectively. If the average weight of section A and B is 40 and 35 kg respectively, average weight of section A is 40 and section B is 35 kgs. We need to identify, find the average of total class. Find the average of total class. If you want to identify the average of total class, what we need to summation of all the weights of all the entire class divided by total number of students in that class. But it was not given the total weight. Summation value is not given. From the above formula, we already know if the average value is provided and total number of students is provided, we can identify the summation of all the weights. So total weights of section A is average multiplied by number of students. Total weight of section B is average multiplied by total number of students. So total weight of all the class is 36 multiplied by 40, section A's total weight plus section B's total weight, which is 2980 kg. So average is equal to 2980 divided by total number of students in class section A and B is 36 plus 44, which is total, if you do it, 37.25. Average value of total average of the class is 37.25. Now coming to the third question, 9 persons went to hotel for taking their meals. So total 9 persons are there. 8 of them spent rupees 12 each on their meals. 9 persons went to take the meals in the hotel. So 8 of them spent rupees 12 each on their meals, and the 9th one spent rupees 8 more than the average expenditure of all 9. Here average expenditure is not given. It was given that the 9th one spent 8 rupees more than the average expenditure. We need to assume that the average value is x. what is the total money spent? So what is the total money spent? If you want to identify the total money spent, you need to have the average value. We already have the 9 persons. Total how many persons are there? 9 persons. So summation of all the amount is equal to average multiplied by 9 we are going to get. But here average value is not given. We need to assume it as x. First we have to solve average value, then we have to go for the total summation value, summation of all the expenditure. Let average is equal to x. 8 persons are spending 12 rupees each, 12 multiplied by 8 plus 9th person is going to spend x plus 8 rupees, where x is average value divided by total number of students 9 is equal to average value. Average value we consider it as x. Solve this. 8x is equal to 104, x is equal to 13, x value is 13. So total spent is equal to, so x means average. Total spent is equal to average multiplied by total number of persons. 9x, that is equal to 9 multiplied by 13, that is equal to 117. This is the total amount spent. Hope you understand how to solve the average examples. In our coming classes we are going to do complex examples. Slowly in next video we will do some more complex examples. After that we are going to take much complex examples like that. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.